Check this out. I'm out at Clifton Hill and we've got a wheel clamp here. Right next to it, another wheel clamp. And look, they're putting on another wheel clamp right next to another one that they wheel clamped. Sheriff's office. So how's that? You got 1, 2, 1 underway, 1 next door, 4 in a row, 2 sheriff's vehicles, clamping people's cars, messing with people's property. So the council thinks that they have jurisdiction over. They think they can actually just mess with your car. And check out the notice. Unbelievable. It says, whoa, pardon me, don't want to touch the car now. Your vehicle has been immobilised with the wheel clamp under Part 70 of the Infringements Act 2006. Do not attempt to move this vehicle or tamper with the wheel clamp. Unauthorised removal could severely damage your vehicle. Gee, you'd be hurting yourself if you try and remove the wheel clamp and get a fine of more than $6,600 for messing with their property. So you're in a whole lot of trouble if you mess with their property, but they can do what they like to you because you're a peasant. So yeah, just thought that was pretty extraordinary. Four cars in one parking lot gets wheel clamped. Lovely. Gotta love the double standards. Don't pay your fine and they'll come and mess with your property like they own it already, like they own you. Oh, signing off. David Lopez, Clifton Hill, Melbourne, Victoria.